Hey guys, this is Prateek back with another video, and today we are installing RGB lights in our system. Let's get started. So first and foremost, what we are going to do is take out the tempered glass panel from our case. You should have either thumb screws or a Phillips head screw. From that, you can just take the tempered glass out of your way so you can start working on your project. Then as you can see, I have some accessories here, so I'm just gonna clean them up real quick. And then we can start our installation. Take your cables out of your package, and I can show you right now that these are the cables. These are the sweet RGB cables. What I'll be using is just the white light from that part, so the connector should look like this, and I actually have two of these, so I'm going to show you them how to connect both of them and how to cable route them, how to properly manage them. So as you can see here are the two connectors. You just connect these two pins serially. Now if you see, there is a groove on top of that, so you just follow that groove and try to push that in, and you should hear a click sound when you're doing that. Just press it against each other, and yep, that's about it. And then what you're going to do is cable manage this. So basically you take the fat part and you just push it down from where the gap is to the back of your case. Once you do that, it should look clean, and you want to make your build as clean as possible. So let's try to do that. Now just peel off the sticker and start sticking the lights all around the case. As you can see, our light installation came out so nicely and perfectly. I'm super happy with the results and it looks good. And I've done the same thing on the upper side of my case. I've stick the light here and it turns out so beautifully, like you can't even see that, it's so clean. And the same thing goes on the side. So it looks perfect, and when the glass is there, you won't be able to see the light where actually it's coming from. Now let's go to the back side of the case, and we can see that this is the Molex cable that was routed. This is the power cable that is powering the LED lights. So let's take that. And what you're going to do is take the power adapter from your power supply unit. You take that and you just plug into the power adapter that came with the LED. Just plug that tight and snug, and you should feel a click sound when you're trying to put that in. That tells you it's perfect. Now, before putting our system together, let's try to power it on. And as you can see, we have a success. It's lighting up beautifully.